New just listed home, 16106 Amethyst Key Drive, Wimauma, Florida by Susan Maggio from the military veteran team. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath villa offers 1,291 heated square feet of elegant living in the sought-after 55-plus community of Valencia Lakes. Designed for resort-style comfort, this beautifully furnished, turnkey home features an open floor plan with tile flooring, abundant natural light, and designer finishes. The gourmet kitchen boasts Corian countertops, brand new stainless steel appliances, and a spacious breakfast bar. The spacious primary suite features a spa-like ensuite bath with dual sinks, a walk-in shower, and a custom closet. The second bedroom and flexible den provide additional comfort and versatility. Enjoy breathtaking sunsets from the front-screened lanai or unwind on the private back lanai overlooking the preserve. Residents enjoy world-class amenities, including pools, a clubhouse, tennis, pickleball, and scenic walking trails. Schedule your private showing today.